You get a salary hike, maybe from 8 lakh rupees to 10 lakh rupees per year, or from $70,000 to $85,000. You feel proud. You tell your parents. You post a subtle LinkedIn update. Life is moving, so you upgrade. Better apartment, new iPhone, maybe finally that car EMI. More Zomato, Swiggy, Uber Eats, international vacation because I deserve this. Fast forward 3 years. You're earning more than you ever have before, and somehow your savings account still looks average. If that's you, yeah, that's literally most salaried professionals. My name is Zach, and I spend way too much time thinking about why salaried professionals struggle to build real wealth even when their income keeps increasing. If you're someone who keeps getting raises but never feels financially ahead, make sure to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if this helps you out. Look, this is not about blaming you. This is about understanding the trap. Because here's the thing. Income growth does not automatically create wealth. And this is where most people get it wrong. Part 1. The raise illusion. Let's challenge something early. Most people believe, once I start earning more, I'll finally build wealth. But globally, data shows otherwise. In the United States, a survey from Bankrate found that even many people earning $100,000 and more live paycheck to paycheck. In India, according to reports by RBI, Reserve Bank of India, and various wealth studies, urban household savings rates have been declining while consumption and EMIs are rising. So income up, spending up, savings flat. Here's what most people don't realize. Raises don't make you rich. Raises upgrade your lifestyle unless you consciously stop them. Part 2. Let's do real math. India plus global. Example 1. India. Let's say you earn 10 lakh rupees per year. After tax, maybe you take home around 8 lakh rupees. That's about 66,000 rupees per month. You get a raise to 13 lakh rupees. After tax, maybe 10 lakh rupees take home. That's 83,000 rupees per month. Increase 17,000 rupees per month. Now what happens? Better apartment plus 8,000 rupees, car EMI plus 7,000 rupees, food, subscriptions, lifestyle creep plus 5,000 rupees. Raise gone. Now imagine you invested 17,000 rupees monthly into an indexed fund averaging 10 to 12% long term, which Indian equity markets have historically delivered over decades. Over 20 years at 11% average return, that's roughly 1.3 to 1.5 crores rupees. From one raise, not from a startup, not from crypto, just from not inflating your lifestyle. Example 2. Global. US, Europe, Gulf. Raise gives you $800 extra per month. Invested at 8% for 20 years, that's roughly $470,000 to $500,000. $500,000. This is where it gets really interesting. The difference between middle-class stress and financial freedom is often just one disciplined decision repeated over 10 to 20 years. Part 3. The psychology that destroys wealth. Now, you might be thinking, Zach, what's the point of earning more if I can't enjoy it? You should enjoy it, but understand the psychology first. There's something called hedonic adaptation. Humans adapt incredibly fast to better circumstances. New salary feels amazing for 3 months. New car, 6 weeks. New iPhone, 10 days. Then it becomes normal. And once it becomes normal, you need another upgrade to feel progress. So you chase the next hike, the next promotion, the next job switch. But here's the brutal truth. Your happiness adjusts upward. Your expenses adjust upward. Your wealth stays stagnant. Part 4. The EMI trap, especially in India. In India especially, there's one silent wealth killer. EMIs. Car EMI, furniture EMI, phone EMI, credit card EMI. Now look, EMIs feel affordable because they're monthly, but wealth is built annually. If you lock 25,000 rupees per month into EMIs, that's 3 lakh rupees per year. Invest 3 lakh rupees annually at 11% for 20 years, that's roughly 2 crores rupees. So the real cost of your car is not 12 lakh rupees. It might be 2 crores of future wealth. Let that sink in. Part 5. The social pressure nobody talks about. This is bigger in India and emerging markets than people admit. Your spending isn't just about comfort, it's about signaling. Family expectations, weddings, vacations, housing in a good area, keeping up with colleagues. You don't just buy what you need, you buy what matches your income bracket. Here's what most people don't realize. The moment your lifestyle becomes tied to your identity, downgrading feels like failure. So even if investing makes logical sense, emotionally you won't reduce lifestyle. And that's why salaried people stay trapped. Part 6. The salary ceiling problem. Global reality. Let's say you climb 20 lakh rupees, 30 lakh rupees, $150,000, $200,000. Amazing. But your income still depends on a company, a boss, a market cycle, or your health. Salaries stop when you stop. Assets don't. According to global wealth distribution studies, the majority of wealth held by the top 10% comes from ownership, businesses, equities, real estate, not salary. Employment funds assets. Assets create wealth. Most people never make that transition. Part 7. The wealth shift that changes everything. Here's the mindset shift. Stop measuring success by income. Start measuring success by ownership rate. Ownership rate equals amount invested monthly divided by take-home pay. If you earn 1 lakh rupees per month and invest 10,000 rupees, that's 10%. Push it to 20%, then 30%. Because here's the secret. The first 50 lakh rupees invested is hard. After that, compounding starts doing the heavy lifting. And this is where it gets really interesting. When your investments start generating returns equal to 20 to 30% of your salary, your fear reduces. You negotiate differently. You take smarter risks. You stop tolerating toxic jobs. That's when wealth starts changing your behavior. Part 8. Practical steps you can apply immediately. 1. Automate 50% of every raise. Non-negotiable. If you get a 20,000 rupees monthly increase, invest 10,000 rupees automatically before you touch it. Same for dollars. 2. Cap lifestyle for 5 years. Live like you're earning one level below your actual salary. Promotion? Lifestyle stays the same. Invest the gap. 3. Avoid permanent fixed cost upgrades. Before upgrading rent, car, or long-term EMI, ask, would I be comfortable paying this if I lost my job for 6 months? If not, it's fragile. 4. Focus on broad market investing. For India, Nifty 50 Sensex index funds. For global, S&P 500 or diversified ETFs. Simple, boring, effective. Wealth is built through discipline, not excitement. Part 9. The two futures. Let me tell you 2 versions of you. Version A, every raise improves lifestyle. Instagram improves, house improves, car improves. Stress stays the same. Version B, every raise improves ownership. Investments grow, options increase, stress decreases. Both earn the same salary. One looks rich, one becomes rich. 10 years later, the difference is massive. 20 years later, it's life-changing. Look, I'm slightly frustrated when I see talented, hard-working people trapped in the salary cycle because they think they're behind, but they're not behind. They're just misdirected. Income is fuel. Ownership is the engine. If you only keep increasing fuel without building the engine, you'll never move toward financial freedom. So the next time you get a raise, whether it's 50,000 rupees more per year or $10,000 more per year, pause. Don't upgrade immediately. Buy ownership. That's the decision that separates salaried workers from wealth builders. If this changed how you think about salary hikes, hit the like button. And if you want more no-fluff breakdowns of how to build real wealth in India or anywhere in the world, subscribe. I'm Zach, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.